Hey, Steve Basic Architect. Yeah. So we just took a little walk around the inside there and tour. I told you I was going to save the garage because I think it really wants to be its own thing. It's a pretty spectacular garage. You can see, some basic metrics on the garage. It's a 5-bay garage. So the doors are 2-1-2. You can see that. The two flankers are 9-footers. The middle is a 10-footer. 10-foot doors. We're probably talking somewhere about a 12-foot plate height from the slab on the flat part of the truss here. So notice that some of this has flat ceiling. And then we move to the scissor truss here. Now, the reason we did that is for a very specific reason. In bay number 5, which if those are 2, the middle one's 3, bay 4, bay 5, we're actually going to put an automotive lift in here. And so the automotive lift required a 16-foot headroom space to be able to put that lift in here. The client here is a car enthusiast and hobbyist, and so the ability to work on his cars and stuff. Some of these lifts now, they're, pretty independent. They're very strong. They're not these big convoluted pieces of machinery. They're actually pretty slick. So it's a pretty cool idea basically to bring it in, but we obviously needed that headroom. So you can picture it here. And if you look at how a car is made, right, you go up the trunk to the main body and then it drops down in the hood, it basically fits inside the scissor truss quite well. We also, we have a couple windows on the outside here. So we also have, a 4-foot wall there. So we have the ability to put some workbench. We also have this very long wall down the back. We chose not to put any windows in there so that the homeowner has that wall to hang tools and such on. Here you can see a stairwell. I'm actually walking on top of a floor that's suspended over workshop space. And we're gonna come back, we'll shoot another video because the whole floor system and what we're doing here is a video unto itself. I wanted to give you the general metrics, but here we have basically the stairwell, which takes us down to the workshop, and the workshop below basically mirrors the whole space of this 5-car garage. So that's directly duplicated below us in workshop space, and we'll have a nice flight of stairs there. And you can see the opening here. That's because we have a steel beam there. We actually have a garage door that has drive-out capabilities from the workshop below. So we can drive down the driveway, down around the side, turn around and actually drive a car or motorcycle or whatever it is into the workshop space below us. But anyways, beautiful garage. I envy it, certainly. I would love to have it. I can't imagine there's many people that would say I don't need that garage. But anyways, that's the 5-car garage out here at our off-site build project. Stay tuned because we're gonna come right back. We're gonna shoot some video and talk about what this floor assembly looks like and what exactly is going on here. So we'll see you back here soon. Until then, Steve Basic Architect, long live our buildings.